Hello everyone. Now we can discuss one problem from thermodynamics. See the problem. One mole of an ideal gas having adiabatic exponent gamma is expanded from initial value V0 to kV0 where k greater than 1 in such a way that gas pressure increases with volume according to relation P is equal to alpha V, where alpha is a positive constant. Find change in internal energy of a gas in this process and molar specific heat of a gas in this process. From the given question, what we are required to find out is change in internal energy and molar specific heat of a gas. So two things we need to find out. Let us go into the solution. So how to approach this type of question? First, you have to look, is there any relation between thermodynamic variables? Here you can see the relation P is equal to alpha V. This you can rewrite as P by V is equal to alpha, where alpha is equal to constant. Then this can be rewrite as P V power minus 1 is equal to constant. And when you look into this relation, this is looking like a polytropic process. So we know a basic polytropic relation, that is PV power n is equal to constant, where n is equal to polytropic index. Based on this polytropic index value, this process can be defined in various things. Here, this polytropic index is given as n is equal to minus 1. So using this, we can easily find out molar specific heat of a gas. So what is the general formula for molar specific heat of a gas? That also we know very well. C is equal to Cv plus R by 1 minus N, where Cv is called as molar specific heat at constant volume and here N is called as polytropic index. So how to find out Cv? This you can easily determine with the help of a Mayer's relation, that is given as Cp minus Cv is equal to R. If you take Cv outside, then Cp by Cv minus 1 is equal to R, then Cv is equal to R by this Cp by Cv, that is the ratio of molar specific heat at constant pressure to the constant volume, can be written as adiabatic exponent gamma minus 1. This is the formula to find out Cv. Here R is called as what? A gas constant. Then this can be substituted in this relation. So we will get C is equal to R by gamma minus 1 plus R by 1 minus the polytropic index n is equal to minus 1. So this can be write it as R by gamma minus 1 plus R by 2. When you do the cross multiplication, then C is equal to 2R plus R gamma minus R by 2 into gamma minus 1. This is equal to 2R minus R plus R gamma by 2 into gamma minus 1. Then C, that is molar specific heat of a gas, is equal to, here you can take R gamma, R common, so R gamma minus gamma plus 1 by 2 gamma minus 1. This is the answer for molar specific heat of a gas. If you want to know what is a polytropic process, then you can go and watch the video in my channel. I have posted it already. Next, what we want to find out is internal energy of a gas in this process. For that, I will use one separate sheet. So to find out change in internal energy, that is change in internal energy, we have a general formula, that is del U is equal to NCV delta T. Here N is a number of moles, CV is a molar specific heat at constant volume, and delta T is a temperature difference. This you can rewrite as del U is equal to NCV TF minus TI. This CV we have already find out that CV is equal to R gamma minus 1, that I will write here. So that we have already found that CV is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Then how to find out TF and TI? This is final temperature TF and TI. For that you can use ideal gas relation, that is PV is equal to nRT. Here T is equal to PV by NR. From this relation we can find out what is TI and what is TF, that is initial temperature and final temperature. If you look into the question, the volume is changed from V0 to kV0. At the same time, the pressure also increases with volume with the relation P is equal to alpha V. So this, from this ideal gas, you can write this as Pi Vi by NR. Likewise, this you can write it as PF Vf by NR. Then substitute the initial pressure value. Initial pressure P is equal to alpha V. If V is the initial volume V0, then pressure will be initial pressure. Then it can be write it as alpha V0, then this initial volume V0 by NR, this is equal to alpha V0 square by NR, which is equal to, here the final temperature. For this we have to find out final pressure. Using this relation P is equal to alpha V, substitute the final volume instead of V here kV0, then final pressure alpha kV0, and this final pressure again kV0 by NR. This we can write it as alpha K square V0 square by NR. Substitute initial temperature, final temperature and CV in this relation, then you will get del U is equal to N, CV is R by gamma minus 1, TF alpha K square V0 square by NR minus alpha V0 square by NR. So del U is equal to, here NR you can cancel it. If you take some common terms from this side, then alpha V0 square by gamma minus 1 into K square minus 1. This is the answer for change in internal energy. This is how you have to approach this question. Thank you.